So this is our latest concept with the full auto bottom. You can see it start to form as you pull up. And then from the inside, you can see the full flap. So then we load the pods. There's now no way of getting in with the full flap, completely blocking and obstructing. Then it is formed as usual with peel and stick or eventually glue. So this is the child lock we showed in the last video. So you'd fold these over and bring everything down, sealed. This is how it would sit on the retail shelves, with the front being the same and the back. Then once received by the customer, they would use the tear feature, pop open, grab their pod, then use the child lock, which is fed through here until it clicks, locks, and then now there's no way of getting in without pushing in the wings and then forcing it back up. Grab your pod, and same thing, close, feed through until it clicks and locks.